Hi guys, so I'm coming on today to talk to you about a wonderful shot. It's a anti-eczema remedy that I've been using for the past couple of weeks now to heal the eczema that I've been suffering with. At the moment, I can see lots of progress. I can see where the discoloration has gone down. You can barely see it, guys. It was so bright, but now it's gone down tremendously. And it's testament to what I've been consuming, guys. If you check out my YouTube channel, you'll see where I show you where I've been talking to you for the past couple of weeks on my eczema journey. So this is one of the remedies that I've been using. I've also made a shower gel made from all natural ingredients. I've made a detox skin detox mask. I've made wellness drinks that are detoxing my liver, because believe it or not, the liver, guys, the health of your liver is really vital to healing eczema from your skin. I've been doing so much research and it's so amazing the things that I'm finding out. So here's how I make this detox drink. I usually have it on an empty stomach every morning, at least 8 ounces of it. And after that, I then have 8 to 12 ounces of celery juice. Then throughout the day, I have a tea made from thyme, rosemary, and oregano. And I also have a drink. It's like a detox absorber, guys. So as you're using all these remedies, the teas and the wellness shot plus the celery drink, it is killing the virus, the Epstein-Barr virus, and the yeast and candida and all of the critters, you know, the problems, the issues, the mycotoxins in your blood, and all of the viruses that are within your body that's causing it. That's within. What happens is when you use all of these remedies to kill them, you need to also help your body to sweep it out. So just having having the teas is good, but you need to also assist your body to release all of it through your sweat, through your urine, through your feces, because you have to get it out of your body. So as you know, each week I want you to tune in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go over to YouTube, Afrokari Naturals. I am on YouTube. Every week I give an update on how my eczema healing journey is going, and every week I share tips and tricks that you can try as well, so we can all heal together. In video 2, which is on my channel, I shared with you the triggers, unbelievable triggers that have been causing my eczema flare up, but I just did not realize. So go over there and have a check to see if those are if what I've got on my list are some things that you are accidentally doing, that you're accidentally consuming, not knowing that you're actually harming your body and you're actually contributing to the eczema without knowing. Knowledge is power, guys. If we don't know, we just don't know. But as I find out, I'm letting you know so we can heal together. Okay? So, first thing you need some organic lemon. See mine, they're unwaxed. Unwaxed means that you can then use the skin as well. You can add the skin to your drink, but I'm not going to do that today. On another video, I will show you how we can also incorporate the lemon oil, the natural lemon oil from the lemon that helps with the detoxification process. Lemon is wonderful, guys, to cleanse the liver. Our liver is very vital in helping us to have clear skin. You know, that was something I didn't know. It was research that actually brought me to this. I read a book called Cleanse to Heal and also Liver Rescue by Anthony Williams, medical medium, and I've been learning a lot from there. I have been, reading and watching so many videos, doing so many researches, and I'm coming up upon some really lovely information. There's another lady I follow on YouTube, a wonderful human being. Her name is Jeanette, and her channel is Misfit Vegan. So if you have a chance to, And if you don't have a chance to, make the time to, and go check her out. She's absolutely wonderful. She's got lots of books, lots of tips on healthy food that we can use and eat. She has meditation. She has so much information. Oh my gosh, just wonderful. And she has been somebody that's been helping me along, you know, when I watch her videos. She even shared one of her books with me for free. You know, it's not about money all the time. It's about helping people, you know. And she's somebody that has her kindness in sharing one of her books with me, you know, for free, you know, because it's just a kind, you know, having a kind, compassionate heart. And it really made me feel that, you know, this world still has great, wonderful people. But anyway, so I've been following lots of people. As I said, the 2 people I'm going to shout out today, because their videos, their books have really been helping me along this eczema healing journey, are Misfit Vegan, Miss Fruity Cutie, and also Anthony Williams. He has amazing books, guys, that and also if you are not able to purchase the books, maybe if your finances are low, you can go onto his blog medicalmedium.com and find the information as well that can help. Okay, so what I do each morning is I cut about 2 inches of the aloe vera. And this one, I knew about aloe vera remedy and orange juice along with lemon juice from my days of growing up in the Caribbean, in Jamaica, where we use this as a blood cleanser. We use this for so many things, but I know definitely as a blood cleanser. And cleansing your blood is really important, guys, if you want to heal eczema. The aloe vera is wonderful for cleansing toxins from the liver, which is one of the main reasons why we are struggling with the eczema. I didn't know that. I learned that from my research. And so here we go. So that is the aloe vera I've just sliced up 2 inches. That's what I've read in Anthony Williams's blog on his website. So that is the 2 inches of aloe vera. And then I'm going to add it to the lemon juice. So that is some water. I'm going to add, it's just, this is just, this one is just room temperature water. It's going to make it into a little bit warm. Just a little bit warm, because I don't want it to be too hot. Don't make it too hot, guys. If you make it too hot, it's going to kill the enzymes in the lemon. So you don't want to make it too hot. Just you know, room temperature. So I'm just adding the lemon juice here. I'm adding a whole lemon, guys. I add a whole lemon. As I say, as I read and I get different information and I find different information, I mix and match and I tailor it to my own body, right? Not everything is for everyone, but certainly as I go along this journey, I'm sharing everything that I am doing so that we can help each other to heal ourselves from this debilitating and dreadful condition. So I've added the lemon juice to the warm water or the room temperature water. And then what I do, guys, I use the lemon juice, the leftover lemon juice, and I add it. I rub it onto my skin. So I rub it onto my skin. I don't let anything go to waste, guys. I rub this onto my skin and I leave it there, and it's helping to get rid of the discoloration. So that's a natural way of getting rid of the dark mark that the eczema leaves on your skin, guys. That's a nice tip for you there. So I'm going to add it to all the spots, and I add it to all the spots. And I just leave it to dry. And it has been amazing in causing the eczema rashes to look much look lighter. You can barely see this one. If you check out my video on YouTube, the initial one, you'll see how dark they were. And look, so much better now. So I add it to my legs as well, but I'll finish that off later. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to blend this up and then I'm going to drink it. 8 ounces every day, guys. So I'll just try and adjust my camera. Don't want to break my tripod. I'm just trying to adjust my camera here, guys, so you can see in the, there you go. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to add the aloe vera and the, still adjusting my camera, guys. I want you to see everything. There we go. Yeah, so I'm just adding the lemon juice to the strainer. Not the strainer, but the blender. Then I'm pouring in the aloe vera chunks. That's 2 inches of it. And then I'm going to blend it. Sorry about the noise, guys, but I'm going to blend it up. Okay, and you can keep blending it until it's completely, you know, blended, but I don't blend it that much. I don't mind the chunks. So I'm going to stop and I'm just going to pour it out and show you the texture of it. Can you hear the fizz? It's that enzyme activity, guys. So the aloe vera and the lemon, all of that synergy just working beautifully together to do its miraculous work that God intended for it. Okay, so let me just pour this in. And that is the texture, guys. It's really lovely and it's light. And then you just drink up. So 8 ounces of this every morning on an empty stomach. Then I wait at least 30 minutes and I have the 12 ounces of celery juice, just pure celery juice. I'll show you that another morning in another video. And then throughout the day, I'm drinking my thyme, rosemary, and oregano tea. And I'm drinking at least a liter and a half of water throughout the day. As well as my meals that I'm having. I've changed my meals completely. And I'm having different meals, guys. I'm not having any of the trigger foods anymore, and I'm just replacing it with wholesome meals that I've been learning along the way. Big up Misfit Vegan. She's been helping loads with all the wonderful remedies and suggestions, meditation, encouragement. So, oh my God, check her out, guys. As well as my friend Violet on Listen to Your Body. Go on her channel too. She's been, oh my gosh, she's been instrumental as well in helping me, giving me tips and, you know, remedies for skincare, herbs to drink. I've been reading a lot. Anthony Williams as well, and his wonderful information on his website and in his books. And there are loads of other people, but I can't mention everybody today. So I'll just mention and shout out 3 people today. And as we move, as we get better, as our eczema goes, we'll share every single week. So every week I'll share. Come back to my TikTok, come onto my Instagram, come to my YouTube, subscribe, share if you know anybody who's suffering from eczema. Together we will beat this with natural remedies, guys. Natural remedies. And remember, with God, all things are possible. We can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Have a great day. Cheers.